Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to study about the fundamental particles. In this video, we're going to study about the fundamental particles of the universe, where did they came from, and what led to their formation after the Big Bang. So let us start from the Big Bang. We studied that the physical universe we know today came into existence by a phenomenon known as the Big Bang. After the Big Bang, the universe started to expand and is still expanding to this day. We also learned that the physical universe at the beginning had very high temperatures in millions of Kelvin, but with time the temperature began to cool. Also, we learned that the four fundamental forces of the universe were, were combined as a single force. Now, when the temperature of the universe began to cool, there came a time when it reached to 10 to the power 10 Kelvin and the subatomic particles started to form. Now, how did the formation of these particles even begin? In the beginning, universe was filled with radiation, high energy photons in the form of gamma rays. Now, these gamma rays or photons combined with each other by the process of pair annihilation and pair production. First, pair production happened in which a particle and antiparticle was formed, but later on, most of these particles annihilated with their antiparticle. The first particle to form were proton and neutron, and they continue to form to the 0.0001 second after the Big Bang. Though it is a minute time period, but billions on billions of protons and neutrons had formed in that time. Afterward, the energy of gamma rays had fallen, and remaining particles annihilated with their antiparticle to form photons. Now, to understand that, we can take the example of proton. When protons form, their antiparticles also form, which had the same mass but different charge. Protons are positive, so their antiparticles would definitely happen negative. Next, we have the ratio in which the annihilation occurred. So, for every billion proton and neutron that annihilated, one remain. Although something about this is very confusing, and that is if for every proton one antiparticle was formed, and same thing for neutron, then why each and every one of them did not get annihilated? And this is something that we do not understand clearly in modern physics. But to answer that, we will have to dive into more advanced research. For now, let's take a look at how electrons were formed. After the annihilation of proton and neutron, the temperature of the universe also cooled further, and electron and positron started to form. Now, electrons are the particles that constitute atom along with proton and neutron, and positrons are actually their antiparticle. All these particles formed in the first 4 seconds of the physical universe. Now, with the formation of the first four fundamental particles, the universe took a perfect state in which matter and radiation both existed. But as temperature cooled, proton and neutron combined together to form atomic nuclei. Finally, when universe was 30 minutes old, the nuclear reaction stopped, and the universe exists in the state we know of it today. The combination of atomic nuclei led to the formation of some specific elements like protium, deuterium, and helium. At that time, the combination did not lead to the formation of very heavy atomic nuclei, but the combination of the original nuclei like helium and protium deuterium with each other did form some of the basic elements like the first five elements of the periodic table: lithium, beryllium, boron, and a trace amount of carbon 12. And this is how the fundamental particles of the universe came into existence. I hope you understood. We will look further into this topic about how each and every element form in later video. Thanks for watching.